see the night.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about these. Y'all haven't seen them yet, but y'all about to see them. I got early access on the off-white dunks. This is rare, bro. Like, this is the first time that I get anything that's rare on the sneakers app. Like, obviously I get Jordan 1s here, I get this and that, and the third, which I am gonna make a video on everything that I have gotten on the sneakers app. Actually, that's gonna be coming soon. Today we're talking about these off-white dunks, and as you guys know, you don't know what sneaker you're getting. So I don't know what the f is in this box right here. We're gonna go ahead and find out. I don't want to waste any time. If you're doing up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Bro, that's the only way you know when I post more heat. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So right here we got these kicks, you feel me? We got the box, we got the package. Let's go ahead and rip the tab on this bitch and see what's in here. It says 83, I don't know what that means. And right here we have a dunk box. These are size 10, which is my size. Let's go ahead and get these out of here though. I don't know what shoe is in here. Basically it has all the cheese holes that we saw on the off-white 5 box. These did retail at $180, and I do love the design on the actual box. It has that off-white branding on it, as you can see right there, and it looks almost like a doodly kiddish design on a box. It looks like it's taped around the sides. It's just really different, which is what Virgil does. At the bottom corner of it, you can see that there's this tag that basically just says Nike on it, a bunch of other information as well, off-white and all that. Bro, these need to be 52. Like, if they don't hit me with the 52 for the first victory on sneakers in a minute for some heat, they tripping, bro. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, that shit come off. You got that orange paper on there, basically just says off-white Nike. Boom, pop this open, pop that open, pop this open. Apparently we got pair number 4. These go hard though. The little minty lace on it. Stop playing with me. These are kind of fire, bro. Let me take them out the pack for y'all. These are hard. What the fuck? So I don't know if it's just because it's my pair, but these go crazy. The black zip tie on these is everything. The inside of the tongue has leather on it. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and get into detail on this shoe. I'm so happy I got the access from Nike. Low-key, Nike has been blessing me in this past week. Let's just say y'all gonna see some videos. Shout out to the sneakers app. I haven't said that shit in a minute. Shout out to the sneakers app for this right here. Let's go ahead and sit down real quick and we'll get into it, then we'll get straight up out the building. So these right here go crazy, bro. I don't know if it's because it's my pair, but the canvas on the front, the leather is crazy on them. Let's go ahead and just get a little close up. These go hard, so fire. Definitely like the way that they added the black zip tie on this pair. And what I did see online is that on the zip tie, it actually does say what pair you have. So right there you can see that this is pair 4 out of 50, and on the inside of the pairs they do have that off-white branding and that foil little codes along the side. I love the fact that it has the little panel right there, the plastic. It's so clean because it pops out of the shoe. Normally nobody puts anything right here, and this being number 4 out of 50, I do think it's sick with that purplish color. I honestly don't know what's gonna happen with this pair. I have to keep them, bro. You got that black tongue on them, black leather inside the tongue, bruh. That's crazy. You got the off-white face on the inside. I feel like he had a lot of creative control. It is Virgil, so he can literally do whatever he wants at Nike. It does have shoelaces on the shoelaces, and this is a pair of off-whites that actually doesn't come with extra shoelaces. Now that I'm looking at it, all you get is what you get right here. There's almost like a prototype type feeling with it, and I think that's what they were going for. So I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now of basically all the pairs that came out. I think it was 30 that had canvas and leather, and then 20 of them were made with like other materials like suede and stuff like that. I definitely do think that this might be my favorite pair. Once again, it might be biased. I just love the way that everything goes together. These are perfect in my opinion with that off-white midsole, the gray outsole, just the gray tones on the outside. I don't have any shoe this color. These are literally perfect. So happy with these right here. I just have to lace them up because these bitches look crazy right now. Once again, I did get these for retail on the sneakers app. Basically what they were doing is they were giving early access to certain clusters of people, and every time that they would say that there was early access for that day, obviously you need to be a part of a cook group to know, I would just go ahead and check and see what's up with it. And eventually I actually went in and I managed to go ahead and secure access. If you guys don't know, whenever people tell you it's early access, you have to go ahead and be on the app at least a minute before and just check your little inbox or whatever, refresh it. When it's almost the time of, you should get access. Is not guaranteed, but you have a higher chance of doing so. That's how I managed to get these, and low-key click the post notification bells because I got a couple more pairs on the way for y'all, so make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for that. Bruh, these are leather on the inside. No fucking way. They have leather lining on the inside. Like, I thought it was just the tongue that had leather. This whole shit is padded in leather. These are crazy, bruh. Crazy. Like, so I just checked on StockX the prices that these are going for. Low-key, my pair ain't that bad, you feel me? Some of them are going for $380, $400, $450. Mine's are actually at like $500 my size, which that's not that bad. And the more I look at them, these are so fire. Like, this is probably my favorite pair. Honestly, I would say hold your pairs, especially if you got a pair that's actually fire, because these are gonna go up in value. I feel like it's a little bit different, the fact that he made 50 different pairs, so people can go ahead and pick and choose the better colorways out of all of them, and at the end of the day, the better colorways will go for more money. So if you have one of those pairs that you feel like are solid, I would go ahead and recommend you to just hold it and figure out what happens with the market. There was a lot of early access, so we don't know exactly how many pairs there were. Definitely don't know how many pairs of each color there were, so you don't know if the pair you have are more limited and they're at a low price simply because they dropped right now and everybody's going crazy over it. You know what I'm saying? Wait for the dust to settle. That's when you make your move. That's what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I'm gonna just hold these. If I see that these bitches go for 1,000 one day, hey, these bitches might have to go, because there's other pairs like the off-white Jordan 4s that, I'm sorry baby girl, but this shit will have to go. Like, I need those, and these shits would be the first ones to leave the door. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These are fire. Once again, they are going for $500. Let me know if you had any success on the off-white dunks in the comments below. Let me know what lot you got, if you got a W as well. Go ahead and slap the like button if you took a W. If you took an L, still go ahead and slap the like button for better luck on the next drop you're going for, man. Just go ahead and stay tuned. Keep your eyes peeled, because there's always sneakers being sold, bro. If you take an L today, there's another shoe releasing next week, if not like 4 that you can go ahead and get. I took L's on a bunch of shit, bro, and it's about time I start taking some type of W's for it. Let's go ahead and be honest real quick. Stay on your sneakers app, because even if you take hella L's, eventually, bro, that shit will come around. I'm telling you, just keep trying. Literally, that goes for anything in life. But if you did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Click them post notification bells. Yo, if this video hits 10,000 likes, dead ass, we will light these bitches on fire. 10,000 likes, they get lit, because we dropping more heat for y'all. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. I'm gonna let y'all in if you're still watching this. I got 2 more pairs of sneakers from the sneakers app recently, so make sure you go ahead and click the post notification bells.